So today we are doing drip testing for our Melia dubia plantation, and the drip system has been implemented by a company called Alpha Irrigation based out of Chennai. So as you can see, this is the main line which originates from the borewell right there. Not sure if it's visible, but there's a little setup there next to the borewell pump house, and so the main line originates from there, and then we have different submains which divides the entire field into multiple sections, and a section is divided by a wall right here. So the water comes from the main line and then gets diverted to the left and right based on the positioning of this wall right here. So as you can see, the valve is open, so the water comes from the main line right here, climbs up, and then goes to the left side and the right side. So this is one of the submains which goes all the way to the left side, and then the laterals are tapped off from the submain line. And then we have a dripper right here. It has a capacity of 8 liters per hour. So typically this is just about average outflow. Typically you don't want a yield outflow much lesser than that or much higher than that. And yesterday we did checking for our other plot of Melia dubia, and there were multiple instances where the flow was very fast. So on opening the dripper, we found that the film inside had some defects, so we ended up changing it. So those are all our peg marks where the plants are going to be planted in about another 4-5 days. And you can see the laterals running across the field.